Titanium Energy Services, Gas Monitor Training. Power on the GX3R Personal Gas Monitor. Press and briefly hold down the power mode button. Release the power mode button when you hear a beep. The screen will cycle through a few displays, starting with how many days left until a calibration is due, a bump test reminder, the date and time, the battery voltage, gas sensor names, full-scale sensor readings, warning alarm set points, high alarm set point, the short-term exposure limit and the time-weighted average alarm set points, the user and station ID, and the normal operating display of the monitoring mode. To start the bump test, attach the calibration cup to the GX3R Personal Gas Monitor, ensuring it is properly oriented and securely fitted with the label front visible. Pinch the tube between the balloon and the personal gas monitor. Slowly inflate the balloon by pressing down on the button on the bump test gas cylinder until the balloon is slightly inflated, making sure not to overinflate the balloon. Release the pinched tube to send the gas from the inflated balloon to the monitor sensors. The personal gas monitor should go into an alarm condition indicating that the sensors and alarms are functioning properly. Observe the personal gas monitor to verify that the LEDs are flashing, the audible alarm sounds, the vibrating alarms is operational and the LCDs show all the alarm readings of an alarm condition. The bump test alarm condition will show the LEL reading below 10% or over 20%, the O2 reading below 20.9% or over 23.5%, the CO reading greater than 25 parts per million, and an H2S reading greater than 10 parts per million. It is important to note that if the personal gas monitor does not go into the alarm condition, you will need to calibrate the monitor using the docking station. Document the alarm values and complete the bump test record by pressing the power mode button on the personal gas monitor to cycle to the peak reading screen. Document the bump test peak values for H2S, O2, LEL and CO on the bump test log sheet with the date of the test and the serial number of each personal gas monitor tested. Personal gas monitors are a mandatory component of your basic personal protective equipment on all oil and gas job sites and must be bump tested before starting work each day. Press the power mode button once more to return to monitoring mode and begin your work shift. Learn, earn, and grow with competence at Titanium Energy Services.